Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Harita. Today we discuss about a topic, scientific notation. It is in basic concepts of chemistry. What is scientific notation? It is a shortcut way of representing a big number in a simple form, that is n into 10 to the power of n. Here small n is equal to exponent. N value it can have positive value or negative value. Capital N value between 1.0002 to 9.999 or 1 to 10. Why we use scientific notation? We use scientific notation to simplify a big number to small number, smallest form. For example, 1 mole of when hydrogen gas combine with oxygen gas form water. H2 plus O2 is gives rise to H2O. 2 moles of H2 react with 1 mole of oxygen, produce 2 moles of water. 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of oxygen, produce 2 moles of water. We use a word mole here. What is mole? Mole is just a number. The definition of mole is number of atoms present in 12 grams of carbon. The value of mole is 6, 0, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Such type of big number is called mole. Why we minimize this number? మనము ఇంత పెద్ద నెంబర్ని మినిమైజ్ చేసి సైంటిఫిక్ నోటేషన్ యూజ్ చేసి ఎలా రాయాలి ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్తాను. ఇప్పుడు మనము ఇక్కడ ఒక డెసిమల్ పాయింట్ తీసుకొని we put a decimal point here and we shift the decimal point from right to left. We shift the decimal point from right to left. Take exponent value n is equal to positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. That is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Here small n is equal to 23, capital N is equal to 6. 6.022. Take another example. For example, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 8, 5. ఇప్పుడు ఈ నెంబర్ని ఎలాగా సైంటిఫిక్ నోటేషన్లో రాయాలో చూద్దాం. We take a decimal point here. When we shift the decimal point from left to right, take exponent value. N value is negative. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. That means 3.85 into 10 to the power of minus 13. Take another example. 5 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఎలా రాయాలి? We shift a decimal point from right to left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 5.234 into 10 to the power of 13. Take another example. 0 0 0 0 3 2 5. We will shift a decimal point from left to right. Put a decimal point here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3.25 into 10 to the power of minus 6. When we move decimal point right to left, take exponent value positive. When we move decimal point left to right, take exponent value negative.